Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your voice chat working in Fortnite on your Switch. Now, there's a couple different methods that we can plug in our headset. So I'm just using the audio jack right here with these headset that came with my phone, and it works actually quite well. Otherwise, you can get a USB adapter right here and plug it in any kind of USB headset. I've done that in the past. Otherwise, Bluetooth with your PlayStation or Xbox headset. So I'm just going to plug this in right here. And there's some settings we actually want to change around. So we can go into the Switch settings here. So let's press plus. Then here is Fortnite. And we can go on down to settings and select it right here. Then tab on over to where it says audio and go on down. So let's go to where it says the voice chat volume. And just make sure the voice chat is turned up all the way. If it's not turned up all the way, we won't be able to hear our friends or anything like that. Then let's tab on over to communications right here. And then we have voice chat, set this to everybody. And then going down to voice chat method, just go to open microphone. If we have push to talk enabled or something like that, we have to push a button to actually enable it or mute. Then we got the voice chat notifications. We have that turned on. So once we have that set up, let's go back now. And then we have to save it. So let's press B to save. And when we back out now, if we press options, we can join the in-game voice chat. So when we're in a game, we can actually join the voice chat. It should do automatically. Or when we join a party, it will work. So you see in-game voice chat, we can press A now. And then we can join. So let's just join right here. All right, and select it. And then we got the voice chat method on the bottom, as you can see. Thanks for buying me back. And just make sure it's set to everybody or voice chat all. And you should be able to see yourself speak. There's a little microphone option. Just make sure your microphone isn't muted by chance. So sometimes with these, there's a little slider for muting your microphone. And you should be able to hear yourself speak in the top right. So if I speak, should be showing up a little symbol next to my name right there. So just look at all those different settings. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.